Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites, platform tools installed and developer options enabled. Plug the device in and enable USB debugging. You must accept the RSA prompt on the phone. Once done, run a DB kill server, then a DB start server to ensure a fresh session. Next, run a DB devices to see the device serial. If it's listed as unauthorized, revoke and reauthorize on the phone. This gets you into a controlled ADB session, so you can issue commands safely and reproducibly. You'll now execute core workflows that save time. Use a DB shell to run interactive commands and app process checks. If you need root, prefix with su after entering shell. For file management, a DB push copies local files to device, and a DB pull retrieves them. Include absolute paths to avoid mistakes. Install or update apps with a DB install R or remove with a DB uninstall package. Name. Once you chain these commands, scripts and batches let you reproduce setups across devices quickly and reliably. You finish by collecting evidence and cleaning up. Capture runtime logs using a DB logcat vtime redirected to a file so you can review errors later. You'll want timestamps. Reboot devices with a DB reboot or enter the bootloader with a DB reboot bootloader for flashing. Once complete, run a DB kill server to close the daemon if you're switching hosts. If things go wrong, check the USB cable, device USB mode, and run a DB kill server, then a DB start server. You can usually recover connectivity with those steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.